Okay. As you can see, I got it running. I got the cutting head down off the strip where I can use the hydraulics. And that's what the clamp looks like when it's run all the way out where it should be for transport. As you can see, the bottom of that clamp is way up now. See, now it's about, I want to say 16 inches off the ground, where before it was maybe 5 inches. And that's where the clamp needs to be for transport. So, I've got it repaired as far as the clamp goes. But then, as you may have seen in the prior video, this is now reversed to what it should be. This is your up down. It takes your cutting head up and down, and that's exactly the sound it makes. But usually this is up and that's down. Well, previous half owner who kludged up the rest of this machine also managed to F that up. So I'm gonna have to disconnect the battery, get in there, find out where the hot goes in and the ground comes out, and reverse those to get that back to where it should be. And there's God knows what else is wrong with this machine. It's just aggravating to no end. But as I said before, I knew there was going to be other stuff. I just didn't realize it would be so incredibly dumbass. But it is, so I'll just have to deal with it. But that log clamp's back on there and it works. The hydraulics are working, so got that going for me. Like and subscribe.